Hi everyone, it's hashtag Stamping Sunday and hashtag Stamp Play, brought to you by Thelma Hall, Crafting by the Pond, and also Susan Heartstrings. Today's going to be short and sweet. I am still recovering from some crud. I don't know how else to describe it for you, but I'm sick. So still have it in my voice. This is actually I would say like 90% better than it was. So that'll tell you where I was at last week. But anyway, I have been stamping a little bit, just trying to stay ahead of the game. I used some colored ink instead of, you know, my normal black and white, just to kind of add to the leaves a little bit. And the effect is kind of something like this. So I just stamp it with kind of an orange, and then I just colored it in with the same kind of orange. This is the only one that was black and white, and I colored it in with green. And here's another one here, kind of a brownish color. And this one here that's purple. So that is kind of what I've been up to. These I did, I don't remember, but I cut them out just recently. And I colored them in, so that's that. You guys would have seen these already stamped, but I had not cut them out. So that is what I did with these. I went ahead and cut them out this morning. And these will just be used on cards and various things. I just like to stamp. And this comes off really super orange, but it really isn't. It's just like a normal orange. I don't know why it looks almost neon. There's another one there. And then this little guy here. And this. But yeah, it's just nice to just stamp with different colors of ink. It just kind of makes it a little bit more interesting rather than just black and white. If you happen to have some colored ink, it makes it nice. And it just adds to the interest a little bit. This is colored, you know, yellow wheatgrass, basically. I think that is what that's called. And then this as well. So that's what I've been up to. And then you guys already saw this. I had stamped this. I'm saving this for another, you know, tag or whatever. But that is my stamping for this week. I hope you all have a good week. And thank you to the hostesses who did this stamping collab. Next week, I'll bring more, hopefully, to you all. It's actually like a project. I might maybe use some of this stuff to create with. But hope you all have a good week. And take care. Make sure you check out everyone that is doing this hashtag Stamping Sunday and Stamping Play. Talk to you soon. Bye.